Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we're tackling a common misconception when it comes to uninstalling programs on Windows. You might think you're removing them completely, but you're actually just uninstalling them, and that's a big mistake. Let me explain why. Alright, so what's the difference between uninstalling and removing a program? When you uninstall a program using the default Windows Uninstaller, you're essentially removing the main executable files. However, this often leaves behind residual files, folders, and registry entries. These leftovers can accumulate over time, clutter your system, and even cause performance issues. Now that we know the risks, how do we ensure we're completely removing programs? There are several tools designed specifically for this purpose. Here are a few of my favorites. Revo Uninstaller. This tool not only uninstalls programs, but also scans for and removes leftover files and registry entries. IObit Uninstaller. Similar to Revo, it helps ensure a thorough cleanup. Let's walk through how to use one of these tools. Open up your Revo software. Now look up for a software you want to remove. When you find a software you want to remove, right-click on it and select Uninstall. Now follow the processes shown in the video. Do not forget to create a restore point. Now select the advanced option so the software can remove all the leftovers. And that's it for today's video. Now you know the difference between uninstalling and removing programs and how to keep your system clean and optimized. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments if you have any other tips for keeping a clean system. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.